I'm Kimmy from the Deer Run Library Branch, and let's get ready for Let's Experiment. Today we are going to make colors in a jar. So what you need for this experiment first is a clear jar. In this one I went ahead and put some water in it, and I added some food coloring, but you don't have to. You will need dish soap, you will need vegetable oil, and if you like, you can experiment with other types of liquids as well. Today, I will only be sticking with these. So first I have my red water. Next, I'm going to add in some vegetable oil. Okay. And you'll see that the water and the oil are not mixing. These two liquids are different densities, and that means that they will not mix. They will actually float on the other. Next, I'm gonna put in some dish soap. Okay, and I need to give it some time to decide where it wants to go. You need to just let it settle. Now, if you have other items, then you can go ahead and start pouring those in as well. So what you're going to notice is I now have layers in my jar. I have my red water, I have my blue dish soap, and I have my yellow vegetable oil. But if you look closely, you'll notice that my blue dish soap is floating to the bottom. This is because it is more dense than the water. And it will start to have a layer, so it will be blue, red, yellow. So you can explore with different liquids and see what your jar ends up looking like. And that's it. Thank you for coming to Let's Experiment.